Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The no-hassle guide to replacing your car's hood latch. A hood latch might seem like a small component, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your vehicle's hood securely closed while driving. If your hood latch is faulty, it can pose serious safety risks, such as the hood flying open while on the road. This could lead to loss of visibility and potential accidents. Recognizing the importance of this often overlooked part, we're diving into why replacing a broken hood latch is essential for your safety and how you can do it without hassle. Stay with us to ensure your car's hood stays firmly shut, keeping you and your loved ones safe. Signs your hood latch needs replacement. Leaving your hood vulnerable to unexpected pops while driving is a recipe for disaster. Here, we explore the warning signs that indicate your hood latch might be crying out for a replacement. Hood not closing properly. When your hood refuses to shut securely, it's more than just an inconvenience. It's a potential safety hazard on the road. A hood that fails to latch properly might signal underlying latch issues that need immediate attention. Imagine driving at high speeds, only for the hood to start fluttering due to a malfunctioning latch. Not only is it alarming, but it poses a severe danger to you and other drivers on the road. Hood popping open while driving. Picture this: you're cruising down the highway, and suddenly your hood decides to take flight. An unexpected hood release while in motion is not just a jolt to your nerves but also a warning sign of latch problems. The consequences of a hood opening unexpectedly while driving can be dire. It can obstruct your view, cause accidents, and lead to substantial vehicle damage. This scenario stresses the critical importance of keeping a close eye on the health of your hood latch. Visual damage to the hood latch. The visual appearance of your hood latch can reveal a lot about its condition. If you notice visible damage such as rust, wear, or misalignment on the latch mechanism, it's a clear indicator that a replacement may be due. Just like any other component in your vehicle, the hood latch is prone to wear and tear over time. Ignoring these signs can lead to dire consequences down the road. Regularly inspecting your hood latch for any abnormalities can prevent potential safety risks and keep your vehicle in prime condition. Tools and materials needed for hood latch replacement. Before starting the hood latch replacement process, it's essential to gather the necessary tools and materials to ensure a smooth and efficient procedure. Here's a comprehensive list of what you'll need. Tools: socket wrench set, screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips head, pliers, needle nose pliers, trim panel removal tool, torque wrench, safety goggles, work gloves, safety stands or wheel ramps, flashlight, rust penetrant spray, clean cloth. Materials: replacement hood latch assembly, bolts or fasteners, if the new latch doesn't come with them, grease or lubricant, rust inhibitor paint, if necessary, anti-seize compound, cleaning solution, paint, for touch-ups, if needed. Having these tools and materials on hand will ensure you're fully equipped to tackle the hood latch replacement with ease and precision. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like gloves and goggles throughout the process. Now that you have everything ready, let's dive into the steps for replacing the hood latch. Steps to replace a hood latch. Step 1. Preparation and safety measures. Before starting the hood latch replacement process, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Ensure the vehicle is parked on a flat surface and engage the parking brake for added security. Pop the hood and use a prop rod to keep it open. Remember to disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the replacement. Have safety gloves and goggles on hand to protect yourself from any sharp edges or debris. Step 2. Removing the old hood latch. To begin, gather the necessary tools such as a ratchet and socket set. Locate the old hood latch beneath the hood and identify the mounting bolts holding it in place. Use the appropriate socket size to loosen and remove these bolts. Be mindful of any clips or wiring connected to the latch that need to be disconnected. Some hood latches may require maneuvering around other engine components, so patience and precision are key in this step. Step 3. Installing the new hood latch. Now that the old hood latch is removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new hood latch in place and hand tighten the mounting bolts to secure it. Ensure the latch is aligned correctly to prevent any issues with the hood closure. Use the ratchet and socket set to tighten the bolts securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten and damage the latch or surrounding components. Double-check all connections and alignments for a proper fit. Step 4. Testing the hood latch. After installing the new hood latch, it's essential to test its functionality. Close the hood gently and check if the latch securely holds it in place. Give the hood a light push to confirm that it remains shut. Open and close the hood several times to verify smooth operation. Testing the hood latch ensures your safety on the road by guaranteeing the hood stays closed while driving. If everything is in order, pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Remember, if you're ever unsure or uncomfortable with any step of the hood latch replacement process, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance to ensure the job is done accurately and safely. That's all for part 1. Now you know how to prepare and remove the old hood latch. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go through the installation of the new latch and how to ensure everything is aligned perfectly. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.